As part of APC Waka Waka campaign for Ovia Federal Constituency, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable DG Idahosa on Saturday 9th August 2025 led the party campaign team go Siluko, Umaza and Udo wards for Ovia Southwest local government to rally for support for their candidate Omosede Igbinedion. Oga Idahosa, as they talk on behalf of the governor, Senator Monday Okpegolo, he can remind them say Siluko no be small place. Now one of the main road where lead enter Edo State from Ondo side, so he need better development. He come also beg the people say make them deliver clear win for APC for the by-election where they come for Ovia Federal Constituency. Say them not go take this election play and say APC na the way to go. Make them vote for Omosede sake of say she be the only woman where they run from Edo State for National Assembly. It come even put target say make them make sure say APC collect at least 80% of the vote.
We also know say many of our people from neighboring states they stay for here, and because of that the population for this area is very, very high. The governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpegolo, is saying for like come, may come talk to him by himself, but because he still get election for Edo Central, he can't send a younger brother in deputy. May come talk to now. I bet Mona clap for governor. He said, make I tell you now, say the candidates where we agree for Ovia Federal Constituency, where we want to represent us for Abuja, now person will get experience, where don't fair go there. And because she be woman, for National Assembly, there is no woman representation from Edo State. So she will be the only woman. Women, oh yeah! By the grace of God, I see him say APC will get 100%. Governor, don't promise the president of this country, your brother, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say Edo State, say Takaba. He already tell us saying go give him 2.5 million votes, and because of that, this election now we want for show capacity. The vote where Siluko word go bring come out, and that one I'll tell us what you say on a lover. I be not be so. Now that one now I want to tell Omosede so I love her. I be not be so. I suffer the talk say you love her. Calm down. I know say today the small population will be remain for PDP for Siluko ward. They don't come today. I be not be so. We want to assault any other party, not go get agents. So that day, by the grace of God, we do not support and not vote. We go see 850 APC, PDP 0, the other party 0. So our people now we they look for, so that when the vote come that day, the governor of Edo State will come bring more development, come Siluko ward. Don't be that one I want. Yeah. The governor there as governor. Where love una. Una pikin be deputy governor. Omosede they go House of Rep. The council chairman from Ovia Southwest. Don't be better we are going to see. Honorable, I don't talk just now. He saying they bring. What did they bring? What did they bring? What did they bring? When I see us with the campaign now with the worry. Better not go for. If we for town, there's Siluko. Honorable, I don't say go bring and come, and they will start work next week. All the good things where don't come Siluko, what IPC do. So our people today, we know Gabriela Omosede Igbinedion, na person who na sabi, and now we dey send her go Abuja, and if she dey bring the project from Abuja. From Edo State, we they bring joiner. Council, they bring joiner. You know, she says Siluko don't talk to abroad. We're not going to go abroad again. If Siluko don't to abroad gets Siluko. So our people, I beg, this election, we know they take them for granted. When una reach house, make una go meet una family member, una friends, una neighbors. Say APC na one way. We want 100%. When it dey like that, the vote wey una give us, now we will take start to the develop Siluko ward. We know say Umaza has always been APC ward. In all elections since 2006, Umaza has always delivered. Umaza, mona clap for herself. I want to also use this opportunity to thank all the people who are here. The Yorubas, the Igbos, the Yoruba, the Hausa, all tribes and the Ijaws. Ah, Ijaw! Ah, Ijaw! But people, I sabi this thing well. Una know say me na Benima. As I don't see hail now, when I see join me, hey my own. How about talk hey? So our people, we bring una daughter, una friend, una mama, una sister. Right Honorable Omosede Igbinedion. But we look round for the whole of Ovia. We produce Omosede Igbinedion to go and represent us under the platform of APC. Any other party there, don't state again? So on that day, now we wait for. We know say she don't win. We know say Umaza don't win. But we want to see the margin one at 10 win. Una know what they call registered voters for our unit. Some units get 300, some get 800, some get anyone way past 800, they make them A and B. Have you know so? The total registered voters for that unit, we need minimum of 80%. Now the kind of winning, now we look for the margin of lead where we want, now make us the here. Because in normal circumstances, Honorable Agado, we talk to now, I know so now deliver. But you want to tell you now, say the test for that 2027, now this Saturday, now we want to prove them. And I know say Umaza will carry first.
Honorable Omosede for her talk contact the people for the ward. Say Oga Idahosa not be only office man but na true grassroots politician where they bring projects come Ovia like the recent street light where shine Ekeadolo community. She can promise say if she reach House of Representatives, she go serve Ovia people well and even do pass before.
APC na transformation. APC is a symbol of hope for all Nigerians. If you see now President be waiting, APC. Yeah. That means Nigeria is APC. At the state government, the governor is waiting, APC. The deputy governor is what? APC. Our senator is what? APC. Our House of Assembly is what? APC. Our council is what? APC. So why will House of Reps not be what? APC. Thank you very much. Anywhere we're going, if we cite projects that we can see and do now, we do now. It is the one that we're going to write down, and in a couple weeks' time, you see action. We're an action party. And that's what you see with APC. You see transformation, you see action, you see progress. And that's what the symbol of the broom stands for. That is what our president stands for. That is what our governor stands for. That is what our deputy governor stands for. That is what our senator stands for. That is what our House of Assembly stands for. That's what our council stands for. And that's why we're going to vote APC again for the House of Representatives. When I started this campaign, I was looking for a slogan. I'm here to serve you. I'm your humble servant. I'm going to be serving you in the House of Representatives. Now, I said experience, because experience is the best. I already have the experience in the House of Representatives because you voted for me before in 2015 to 2019. But there was one strong muscle that came to muscle and muscle. But now we're hugging and hugging and hugging. So, you know what? have thought of something else. I have 2 other slogans for this election. That is a unity, Ovia agenda. I'm wearing it. Am I not wearing it?
Yes.
When I came in with an agenda. And that is for myself and my brother, who is now the deputy governor, to be united. So it's Ovia agenda and a united Ovia. You are voting for me, but now we're together in one party, and that party is what? APC. Thank you very much.
Member where they represent Ovia Southwest for Edo House of Assembly, Honorable Sunday Agedu, former Deputy Governor Chief Lucky Maswen, Senator Neda Maswen, and local government chair Mo Honorable Nusakari Edobo, all here and say as Omosede enter second term, she go fit correct any mistake from first term. Say Ovia Southwest don't already belong to APC, and them they show say APC go win, sake of say the people love the party and believe for Omosede hand to represent them well.
This year, I have 2 projects for you now. And the 2 projects will be this. By next week, if not be this campaign, they for don't start them. The chairman is aware. This place we are standing, so we are going to have Siluko town hall here starting from next week. Starting from next week. There's another project in the Riverland. The Ayamo Primary School in Jide Water side. By next week, they are going to start the project. Once we start project, we finish it. We don't have a pardon project. We have empowerment for women, but that one will start out from November this year.
Hard-working deputy governor of Edo State. Now he's 9 years old. He don't go House of Rep before, and our son for Vienna, the beginning when we take the pride, now be this. Omosede don't go there before, he go there again. He don't know road. Any door where the key one, he not quick enter, he go call the deputy governor. Because now he come up for there last, he go give her original key. If that one not work, he go call the governor, the senator, he give her another spare. If that one not work, he go call Igbinedion, the Esaba of Benin. He give her the overall key, he go open am. If that one not work, all the experiences when they carry am together, what happen? He don't not go open. No. We don't need too much talk. Because now get House of Assembly when they perform. Una get deputy governor, which other state they wish say that them get them. Una get governor when not they talk, but in work they speak for them. Now be say una be, una get council chairman when be son of the soil. Which one remain? I just want to tell you now. This deputy governor want see so. He don't tell us for where. We don't chop him money before. He go tell you now just now. When he reach there, he said the highest person when he go win unit for that reward, he give am 1 million. Now our word for happen. There be no one ask him because for our word, when he dey House of Rep, he say he go bring water. As we dey now, not be say the water come, the water dey rush, and it still dey rush. But he say whether water rush, water no rush, promise na promise. Una know the woman when they go House of Rep. Una know him papa. Edo well din ranama oha. Una know him papa. The Esama of Benin Kingdom. The man when he bring Okada air. The man when he put the name Okada for dictionary. The one he named there everywhere in the world now, papa. He don't go House of Rep before. He know road. He know speaker. He know Senate president. Now we want said go back. Not be so. Our brother the DG don't talk am before. We thank una for Ovia Southwest when he give us for Ovia Northeast. But we be the same papa and the same mama. Eko plus water will not be Eko. Now Ovia Northeast, Ovia Southwest, now the same all of us be. Now we still can't get the deputy governor now number 2. Those when they verse. Yoruba people say kilo come. Abi Shebeni, our deputy governor is performing. Where would they go talk yesterday? He carry phone. Who say me better not come in place? Look at the abuser. He carry phone, he put her down. He say this road he go get attention. Not because now our son. work now, if they come. Obaseki, when he did government for 8 years, I not see you are employed. No employment letter. But for their own employment letter, they come yafu. Council, they work. Governor, they work. Deputy, they work. Now, the daughter of our papa, the first indigenous owner of private university in Nigeria, the first owner of private airline in Nigeria, the first, not be picking the go so. Anywhere, never be a gilea. And you'll be a near Uzo, Azana Biazana, oh Mani Maya. She's going there not as a neophyte, but as an experienced woman.
I say they go now. Waiting not do before. You don't see them well. Now you can't do everything for now. And I come here, come tell you, say, me as a senator, we all now did there. We know how it be. And I know say if you not send her back there, you can't be your guy for there. You can't be madam. Not the person where you just go there today. If that person go there today, now back it is down. You know, they even know what thing happen for front. But I say they go back so, now senior, it will be. So make you know say, as soon as they send them go there, now seniority no one go give them. Because you don't know everybody for there. You don't know what to do. Not be time to go learn. You don't learn them. Make him go perfect them. And they go for. So I come here, come beg you now. To assure you say, you know they make mistake at all. Say if you now send this woman go, Omosede, you now send her back to the House of Reps. You now not be regret them. Now good things they come. As you don't hear of Mr. Project, will be the deputy governor. As I talked before, now Madam Project now they come now. Any area where you never touch, you go touch everywhere. So this 16th when they come so to vote, I beg. They don't teach you before say now broom, now I go use, now I go look for. Because you never know go take ballot. If you not see broom, just go there, put your finger. Make sure say your finger not pass the line. Make them go condemn the vote. Just put your hand for the middle of that hole where the broom there. That way your vote will count. So now beg will come back now. We're gonna appeal to and say this one way will count so. Now for the betterment of all of us. How Umaza work, how Ovia in general will take better, now we can't talk so. So I beg make you not forget on the 16th. Make everybody come out. And for the new campaigns, make you not go tell those who never come, make them go see better. Because when you enter APC, you not going to say better day here. So with the beg now, make you not come out that day. Even if it rain not to kill us. That rain is just for a short period. Once you vote and you win, by the grace of God, you don't win. That winning way you win so, you will follow up for at least 4 years. So I beg, make you not vote. By the grace of God, come the 16th, Omosede is going to be declared the winner of this election.
Yeah. You have been doing it for me before. I will continue to be doing it. Next week, Saturday, is the next rerun for Ovia Federal Constituency. We, the people of APC, our party as APC, now prove our symbol.
Yes, so well.
Come that day, now prove you go see for there. Now APC you go see for there. You not go see Omosede name for there. Now this broom for our mama, our papa, we see no APC, they don't know APC, but we go, you know broom. No house broom, not there. So I beg every one of you, come out that very day and vote APC.
Ovia people welcome the campaign team well, and party leaders also received new people who cross over join APC, including the PDP Ward Chairman for Siluko.
Today is happy day. Today is a glorious day. So many years we are PDP. Party of Papa received again. But today, because of the good work, our governor, our deputy, our House of Assembly, throughout of Edo State,
You see their good work. And our mommy, because of our mommy election, we are PDP for Siluko Ward. We have the gap. We got PDP for APC today. All our daily members, we are all party now. We are all party system.
I'm a PDP member, former member. But now I've seen what our brother Honorable Igbinedion is doing in this community. Light all over the place, facing the school, water resources all over, and the person when they see how they do that thing for me. Before, person when they follow the walk, I don't see her for eye. Now the one I don't see her they walk. And I show the thing got the cross me for her. And that the one will kill me. So that's how I look and say that man has seen. Now I got me time because before I see for that, it is my better. Now I got this group, member of PDP, but they come to me at the APC because the group is a nice group. I clean the audience.
The highlight for the day now when Oga Idahosa and Omosede joined the crowd waka for Udo, stop for Palace of Iyase Nudo, where they pray for the success of the campaign and election. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Ekata Ojesoli, TMC News.